Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing the face mask for kids by Zero Risk. This is a pack of 3 and it comes with a headband. That's the reason why I have ordered this for my child who's 5 years old. The MRP over here states 1245. I got it for 999 and there are 3 colors in it: royal blue, cherry red and orange. These last up to 30 gentle washes, and it states here it's antiviral and antibacterial. So let's go and see how it is. This comes in the slide through box, and okay, so there is this orange and red and a blue color in which they have attached this headband. And over here it comes with some it gives all the wash care details and technical aspects of it. And there are 2 pouches for the red and orange headband. So this is, I think, how you need to attach this, depending on the size. I will also use it on my child, and I will give you an update about this, how convenient and comfortable it is. Thank you. Bye.